Okay, VW Mark 4 Jetta lock. I had a problem with this limit switch that was in here, so the car would think the door is open the entire time and it wouldn't lock, and it gave me a warning that driver's doors open when I drive and stuff. And this is the culprit. It's a small micro switch. I went out, stuck in an open position, so but the switch was closed. It's a normally open switch, so I glued this one in. It's a normally open and a normally closed limit switch, and it runs quite good on that cam. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly solder these wires today, and then yeah, it's sorted. Okay, so here's the proof of concept. Old one was more button, but this one would work, I believe. Also looked in beauty. You see, and then when it closes again. Okay, it's closed. Okay, so yes, when it's closed the lights off, and when it's open the lights on. Works like a charm. And lock and unlock and lock function also works now. So see.